Cyberdrive is marketed as the ultimate distortion plugin, and that is quite the claim. It doesn't look overly complicated at first glance, but when you dive in you will notice how deep this one actually can go, and why ultimate distortion might actually cut it short. At its core, you get 3 identical distortion modules, and there's a feedback module, more on these later. Below these there are 7 extra effect modules. All of these effects combined can drastically alter the sound. Let me go through some of the presets to show you the diversity of this plugin. Now, one thing which I don't really like when going through the plugin's presets like this is the big difference in level. Sometimes it blows out the cones of your speakers, while other times it's too soft. Now you can counter this by simply enabling gain compensation. I think automatic gain compensation should be turned on by default in this plugin. Now all of these modules work in series, so after each other. Each module will feed into the next one. These all can be turned on or off individually. These modules can freely be put in any order you want, without any limits. This will also have an enormous impact on the sounds you create, even with just 2 modules. Here is tone and a distortion. This is the distortion by itself. When you enable the tone after it, you get this. When you use this tone before the distortion, you will change how the distortion reacts and its character. Now before we continue, please make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. This video is sponsored by DistroKid, the best choice for musicians looking to get your music onto streaming platforms like Spotify and Apple Music. It's easy to use, fast and affordable. Plus, with DistroKid you'll keep 100% of the royalties you earn and unlimited uploads. Get 7% off of your first year by using my link in the description of this video. Each of the 3 identical distortion modules come with a whopping 64 distortion types. from subtle in the form of tape saturation to completely over the top. Of all dials with the distortion module, Control is the one to keep an eye on. This one will change the character of the distortion. These filter sliders can work in two very different modes. Filter is your standard filter, so high and low pass. These will feed into the next module as well, be aware of that while using it. Switching to multi gives a multi-crossover, but not true multi-band. That means that everything below and above these filters are passed through unaffected. You can get a sort of multi-band distortion if you keep in mind how these filters work. In multi-mode, select the area you want to distort. The next distortion module will then need to work on a completely different area. Or not if you want to overlap distortion. Just be mindful of this. I find that with this plugin it's not always straightforward to get the best blend with these distortion modules. You really have to play with the filter on multi-mode and cycle through the crossover slopes. These don't always react in a way that seems logical. The feedback module feeds back like the name says, and this gives another range of effects, from comb filtering to delays. Now, one of the things I miss in this plugin is something like an LFO to modulate some of the controls like I do here manually. Of course, you can automate this, but it's more work for sure. With all of these modules, you can build really useful effects. Let's do a few simple ones, like creating a telephone filter effect on voice.
I am a thief in the night. I am the stars in your eyes. The nightmare that's coming for you. And I am a thief in the night. I am the stars in your eyes. The nightmare that's coming for you. And I am a thief in the night. I am the stars in your eyes. The nightmare that's coming for you. And I am a thief in the night. I am the stars in your eyes. The nightmare that's coming for you. And I am a thief in the night. I am the stars in your eyes. The nightmare that's coming for you. And I am a thief in the night. I am the stars in your eyes. The nightmare that's coming for you. And I am a thief in the night. I am the stars in your eyes. The nightmare that's coming for you.
When I now use feedback as a delay and blend in the dry signal, you get a nice distorted delay on the voice.
It's coming for you. And I am a thief in the night. I am the stars in your eyes. The nightmare that's coming for you. And I am a thief in the night. I am the stars in your eyes. The nightmare that's coming for you. And I am a thief in the night.
You can take this even further with other effects and where you place them.
It's coming for you. And I am a thief in the night. I am the stars in your eyes. The nightmare that's coming for you. And I am a thief in the night. I am the stars in your eyes. The nightmare that's coming for you. And I am a thief in the night. I am the stars in your eyes. The nightmare that's coming for you. And I am a thief in the night. I am the stars in your eyes. The nightmare that's coming for you. And I am a thief in the night. I am the stars in your eyes. The nightmare that's coming for you. And I am a thief in the night. I am the stars in your eyes. The nightmare that's coming for you. And I am a thief in the night. I am the stars in your eyes. The nightmare that's coming for you. And I am a thief in the night.
I wanted to do a shootout with Isotope's trash, but for some reason this plugin is doing this right now on my system. So yeah, that is not gonna work. The plugin is zero latency and very light on the CPU. If you care about aliasing, oversampling is an option. For the intro price of $15, this really is a distortion and multi-effect to check out and put in your audio toolshed.